Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting physical gear. Plug the keyboard into your Mac with a USB cable or a USB Midi interface. Once done, power the keyboard and open system settings to check that the Mac recognizes the device. This ensures Garageband sees it later. Make sure Garageband is installed and updated. If you use an audio interface, connect it first so sample rates match. These steps prevent latency and device conflicts, so you can focus on mapping channels and sounds next. You'll now tell Garageband to use your keyboard. Create a new software instrument track and open track info. Then, select your Midi device in the input device area. This routes incoming notes to the instrument. Once selected, play a few keys and watch the input meter. If it moves, Garageband is receiving Midi. If you get no signal, check the audio/MIDI setup and set MIDI channel to match the keyboard. Also adjust the audio buffer size in Preferences to reduce latency, while keeping Finish by selecting the instrument patch you want and mapping controls like modulation, sustain, and octave shift so playability matches your style. Record a short take to confirm velocity response and timing. Once happy, use quantize or MIDI editing to tighten notes. Save your project and back it up. If things go wrong, first restart Garageband and replug the keyboard. This fixes most detection issues. Next, check MIDI channel routing, interface drivers, and system audio settings to resolve stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.